This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a charming fish using craft paper. This is a fun and simple project perfect for all ages. First, gather your essential supplies: colorful craft paper, a pair of sharp scissors, and some reliable glue. You will also need a pencil and a ruler to help with precise measurements and cuts. Let's get started on this creative journey. Now that you have your materials ready, let's begin with the main body of our fish. Take one sheet of craft paper and fold it neatly in half. This fold will ensure your fish is perfectly symmetrical. Next, use your pencil to draw a fish outline on the folded paper. Aim for a length of about 6 inches. Once you are happy with your design, carefully cut along the line, keeping the paper folded. With the fish body complete, it is time to add the fins and tail, bringing our creation to life. From a different colored piece of craft paper, cut 2 small oval shapes to serve as the fins. Each fin should be approximately 2 inches long. For the tail, create a V-shape, about 3 inches wide at its base. Carefully apply glue and attach these pieces securely to your fish body. Our fish is almost finished, and now comes the most exciting part: decorating. Use markers or colored pencils to draw intricate scales on the fish's body, giving it texture and character. For a whimsical touch, attach googly eyes or simply draw them on. Feel free to add glitter, sequins, or any other embellishments you desire. Let your creativity shine and make your paper fish truly unique.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.